Isang gambas.
Ma'am, allergies po. One gambas.
Then, smoked bacon katsudan.
Ma'am, inform ko lang po sa katsudan na medyo kating po ng bacon natin.
Hindi ako.
Ay, baliktad.
Isang gambas, isang beef shawarma, isang wood card lasagna, and for the drinks po, isang Coke Zero. Pwede kami natin.
Asan tayo? Andito tayo sa Burn Beans. Ano naka-cinematic ako? Yan. What's this? Ang dami mo yatang in order. So this is the potato pave? Question mark. Appetizer. And this is good. You have to get more of the cream. It has a parang crunchy texture. Yung outer layer, parang layered siya ng potatoes, tama? Masarap siya if you eat it with more cream. So this is Burn Beans. It's at the 5th floor of View. This is gambas. Magkano yung gambas?
600, I think.
Wow, mahal.
Ano, sir?
Pero malalaki yung mga shrimp. Tingnan mo. Anong tawag dito? This is the shawarma. Anong tawag mo dun sa biryani ba to? Katabi niya? That's usually, di ba, for mga Indian food, the shawarma is with the biryani.
So I'm not sure.
It's not. Okay. Baka kajun lang. Cajun rice.
Ang dish talaga.
So,
Sorry.
what's this? This is the lasagna.
Yeah.
Parang hindi ko kaya na lang.
That's all.
So, masarap yan. Ano to?
Wood fire.
No, this one is the shawarma na.
Oh, yeah.
Yung shawarma is ang nagambas to. Tapos yan ay wood fire lasagna. 15 layers of lasagna. Yeah, parang hindi na natin kaya kumuha. Parang siyang slant. Hindi siya yung usual presentation ng lasagna. Tsaka meron siyang parang, is that also a garlic sauce?
No, I think that's a bechamel.
That's the bechamel sauce. Ang galing ng anak ko, parang chef ang dating
Parang.
Are you serving me? Are you going to serve me?
Just figuring it.
I'll bring my plate, Nick. Yan. That's the layered look. Siyempre, this is my plate. Ano yun? Parang yung spaghetti na dapat nandun sa may ilalim. You place it on top and then the bechamel sauce on top as well. Hey! Yan, go ahead. So you're putting the meat sauce on top of the lasagna and then the bechamel sauce on top. Yan. DIY.
Very much so.
Lovingly dedicated to you, Tita Shelo.
Oh, I miss Tita Shell.
That's 15 years of goodness. Sarap lang. Medyo maasim. Medyo spicy. And then, it's like corn. No?
Yeah.
And the gambas. Ang lalaki ng shrimp. And masarap siya talaga. Masarap din to. Itong beef shawarma, no? Sarap din siya. It's like a shawarma with rice. Ang shawarma ba may rice? Wala, di ba?
It's all shawarma rice. Fresh rice.
But the ones that you buy from outside, wala no?
Ah, wala.
Just beef with pita. Okay. This is really good. Pero wala na tayo. Baka we can ask for more, the garlic sauce. Diba? Parang masarap. Oh, yeah. I like this one.
Doesn't say.
Oh, sarap ng pastries. Looks very good. So yan, we're leaving Podium. We're going back to the house. Hello everyone. I'm back at vlogging. Tagal nagpahinga. Yan. Palabas na tayo ng parking ng Podium. Hindi masyado mahirap mag-park dito. Pero masalimuot ang kanyang parking. 50 pesos lang ang binayaran namin. But we came here around past 6 o'clock, right?
7.
And it's around almost 9 p.m. But 50 lang binayaran namin. So okay lang. So yeah. On our way home, we just ate at Burnt Beans. Burnt beans. Sarap yung food actually. Food is good. Happy naman ako sa nakain ko. Pagka night talaga medyo pangit yung camera. So we ate gambas and beef shawarma and the wood fire lasagna. And the potatoes that hindi ko mabanggit. Wow, red. And the potatoes. So, ang bill namin umabot na mga 2,000 plus. Dapat naman ako doon. Yeah. So, the money spent on dinner is actually just okay. Kasi considering ang dami naming in order, marami din kaming take out. So, happy tummy. Came from the dermatologist earlier before going to Podium. So, ang atin yung ay nagpa-derma. Baka may pag-asa ba? So, once a month, nagda-derma for the facial. So, excuse the mga if there are mga ganyan. Basta. Happy today! We'll try to see what we were able to buy. Marami din tayong nabili, no? Because we also went before going to the derma, we went to where? Shangri-La, Muji. We purchased a lot of stuff and grocery as well. Sana okay pa yung grocery. And then we went to a Korean store, so we bought a lot of Korean stuff. Syempre, bilang Korean, Diyos. Happy lang. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Ay, hindi pa pala. Mag-haul pala ako. Since hindi ako nagtrabaho ng matagal-tagal, mag-vlog pa din ako. So, I'll see you later. Para sa mga, kung ano yung mga nabili namin na walang kwenta. At yung mga nabili namin may kwenta. Nandito pala kami sa traffic light. Yan. Salamat sa Diyos at nag-go na. Kung hindi, marami na ako na ikwento. Oops. Anyway. I'm back at vlogging. Yan. Nagpahinga ako from the vlogging stuff. Kasi nga, wala na. Nag-enjoy lang. Rest. So we're here at so ba to? Pioneer, no?
Yes,
This is Pioneer. There are a lot of new tawag mo dyan, mga place that were open here. Uwi na tayo. Lalo, sinasama lang natin to sa vlog. Wala na palang kwento itong nag-enjoy lang. Pauwi na tayo. Pag uwi, hindi na ako mag-exercise. Bukas na lang. Tomorrow is another day. So just make a haul of all the stuff that we bought. And then, tomorrow na. Busy with stuff, with work as usual. So ngayon lang kami nag-dinner ni Isabella again. Hello! Mag-haul ako ng mga pinamili namin. So the first one is i-move natin ng konti ang ating mga pinamili para makita nyo. Yan. Bili kami ng toilet paper. So actually 3-ply yung pinibili namin but it's not available. So we're trying this 2-ply ng Sanicare. We're using Sanicare but it's the 3-ply. And I'm also trying this one naman. This is Surebuy. 3-ply na Surebuy. So, susubukan. So, ang quality na hinahanap namin is dapat hindi siya nadudurog if it's wet. Anyway, pumunta kami sa Korean restaurant and since I plan to make fish cake for our Korean menu, so bumili akong 1 kilo. Inuno ko na to kasi I have to put it in the refrigerator. So, most of the time, mag-online lang ako. But, since nasa labas, bumili na din ako. So, we're using Joy kasi hindi siya nakaka-allergy. Hindi siya masyadong matapang. This is the one that I'm using for dishwashing. And for shampoo, I'm using Dove. And then, I also got this one kasi hindi ka makakabili nung Dove 1 Minute Serum. It usually comes in a promo pack with the shampoo and the keratin repair na serum. It's like a conditioner. But when you put it, parang magiging malambot yung hair mo. I need to have this because I usually always color my hair. And then, ran out of conditioner. And, yan, mga pH care, mga meds. So, the other stuff, ay mga toiletries na hindi na natin i-dispose. We'll just put it back. What else? So, I think yun lang yung toiletries. Si Bella's with me, so she bought interfolded paper for her dormitory. And then, yan. Ariel, bakit may Ariel ka, anak?
For my laundry. I provide my laundry soap.
Where you were having your laundry done. Siya daw nagpo-provide. So, yan. And, Downy. We're using Downy. She's using Safeguard. Ako yung may bulaklak lang. Whatever that is. That's it. And then, alcohol. Yan. So, we went at Marketplace because our dermatologist appointment is at 4:30 pa. So, we went to Shangri-La, bought our stuff from the grocery, and then got stuff from Muji. Ito pa pala. Ano lang to? Nagaraya. These are the stuff of si Isabella. For her dormitory. Ketchup. And some box of tea. 2 boxes, I think. And then, from Muji, si Bella bought this. This is a refill. So, I'm also suggesting if you are making notes, it's nice to buy your refill from Muji. Yeah. And then we bought a laundry net for the washing machine. So this is good to protect your underwear from being damaged when you do your laundry via the mga washing machine. Si Bella bought socks which she wears to school. Yan, parang centipede. Dahil. And then we also bought refills. I bought refills for my ball pen. I'm using the pen from Muji. This one. So instead of buying a new one, bibili ka lang ng refill. Each refill costs 40 pesos. And then may nakalagay kung anong color at saka kung anong point. Yung 0.38 sa kanya, yung 0.5 sa akin. I bought 3. Binundle nila na. Bigay mo na lang sa akin dito. And then organizers for my magazines. These are organizers which I bought. Kasi mas maganda pa rin when you're using your organizers for your magazines, mas maganda siya tignan. Actually, ito lang yung hinaharap. This side. Para pag tinignan mo, clean lang siya. And then, I also bought stuff from the Face Shop. So, yung ginagamit kong moisturizer is the Rice. After doing my toner, I would put in my moisturizer before putting in my foundation. So, importante ito. Or, if I wash my face at night, I would put in a moisturizer first before going to sleep. Especially pag umiidad. And then, we went to the dermatologist. So, ang dami kong freebies. So, these are the things that I use. Ito na yung usual na ginagamit ko. The cleanser. It comes in a tube. But, si Michelle, who's my dermatologist, also gave me the lotion, which I will be trying, and the mask. Oh, she gave it for free. The perks of being a doctor. So, and then we also went to, after the derma, we went to a Korean store. So, I showed Camila the fish cake. We bought fish cake because I'm gonna make fish cake. And then some stuff from the Korean store. I'm going to try this one. Hindi ko alam kung masarap siya. Parang yung panda na may chocolate. Susubukan ko lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong lasa niya. Then, nakita ko sa mga vlogs ng Korean, you can make your iced coffee by just, actually, they provide, a cup with ice. You buy it at 10 pesos each. And you just pour it. You have already a cold brew. So, this is the 01. I'm gonna try this one. There's another one which I bought. Ito. Na caramel macchiato. Ito, lahat na to kay Isabella. Masarap daw to, lychee. And ito, Maxim. Masarap na to kasi alam ko masarap yung Maxim na bar. As a matter of fact, bumili si Bella, pero bumili din ako. Tatlo lang. Tapos, we're going to try this one. Yung cheese sticks. So, more of the lychee stuff. Masarap to. It's like a, ano ba yun? Yung mga nabibili mo sa candy store. Parang jelly siya. Oh, so si Bella naman, she got the iced tea. The blue lemonade. Yung mga tea. Yan, ilalagay mo lang siya sa glass with water. Doon nga, if you want to buy and drink right away, you can buy the cup. Plastic cup lang, they put ice in it and then you just pour it. Tapos ito, kay Isabella to, she wants this. Honey butter. More of the jelly stuff. Dami, no? So, I also found sa, sa vlog. Yung Shinram yun, but the black one daw masarap. So, I'm going to try this one. Ito yung parati kong binibili. Masarap siya. The bulgogi. And then si Bella bought the one in the cup. Okay. Let's eat. Ngayon na natin yung tea and Bella tricks. Putting back everything where it came from. That's for the Korean Pong. And this is from the Buchibon. Putting it everything back. Also, so andyan na yung lahat. Baka na si Batman dyan. Ayan. We bought from Nespresso. Yung favorite namin ito. Kaya roasted hazelnut. This is for the Vertuo Pop Nespresso machine. This is our favorite. So actually bumili ako ng 5 sleeves nung Pasko. Ubus na siya. So bumili ako ng 2. And I also bought this one. This is the Loom Mud, which I really like. So gagamitin ko to every day. It's good for the small capsules of Nespresso. It comes in a pair. That's my favorite. Yan. So yan na. Actually marami na ako nabiling ganito pero hindi ko nagagamit. So I promise I will use this one. Then we ate from Burnt Bean. Ito lahat yung take-out namin. So, majority of this is the lasagna and the beef shawarma because we ate all the gambas. The gambas is really good. Ang lalaki ng shrimp. Ang sarap niya. And then, from Opulence naman. Yun yung may mga, ano tawag mo doon? Macaron. I asked the one who's selling kung ano yung mga bestseller. So, ito yung binigay niya. Siya ang namili. Basta sabi ko lang ang budget ko is 500. And he just provide us with the stuff. So, ayan siya. That's all. I missed everyone. So, thank you for watching my vlog. And I hope to see you in my next one.
Our favorite
So yan, ending the day with a coffee.